speakers. Once again, my name is Chien Chien and I'm a musician representing Momentum Studio. Now I'm gonna begin with sharing with you a little bit about my personal history. That's right, I started performing as a vocalist in 2007 and I continued doing it even when I was studying my diploma until degree. And during the very last semester of my degree, I planned to give up my degree to pursue my dream, which is to become a full-time professional musician. And I did. And I'm proud too, I did, yeah. So, no regret. And I started my journey together with Lester and also Dennis, the violinist. And I feel really blessed and lucky to have met a lot of amazing and incredible people along the way. And the most important people are from Acoustic Connection and also from Sound Art. I always thought that we are meant to be together, we are inseparable, to be honest. Like last year, we even found our ideal studio located just right next to Acoustic Connection. And then we became a big family, and we have so many musicians under one roof, sharing the same passion and dream together. So today, here we are. We're going to show you what we believe in. We believe that in our line there are no similar two events. That's why for all the events that we have done, we did it wholeheartedly, fully prepared in terms of all the song and music selection and also the style according to the theme of that particular event. So it's special, like custom made. And we're doing it because we want to create the moment that is really meaningful, memorable and magical that the wedding couple and their guests will remember for the rest of their life. Let's take an example. I'm sure most of you here have attended our Uncle Richard Lee, remember? His son's wedding just a few months back. Yeah. And he had his wedding, which is Shanghai theme wedding at 4 Points. And imagine, if it is a Shanghai theme, but we were playing country music or Malay songs throughout the whole night, wouldn't it be funny? Yeah. So today we're going to show you a few examples so you can get a better picture out of it. So now imagine you're at a garden party. You attend a garden party and we are going to give you music like this. Shanghai theme is a trend. Almost like most of the wedding that we had is like they love to have a Shanghai theme wedding. So all they need to do and the guests is to dress up in their most elegant cheongsam and we'll bring you back to the old Shanghai. Dear Shanghai, dear Shanghai, 你是那不夜城。 花灯起，歌声响，歌舞升平。And here that's Shanghai theme. And next thing, the man will love it very much. Going to a beach party where you can see ladies dressing up in bikini and all those sexy outfits. That's right, we're going to give you sexy music too. That's right, that's the girl from Ipanema, but in Kuching we call it girl from Damai Purila or Damai Picha. And that's for the beach party. And nowadays, not only adults know how to party, but kids nowadays, they can have their own party as well. So during a kids' party, we are going to give you this.
Oh.
Love the most in today's world. And also, there are like the senior citizens. After they retire, they have nothing else to do. They gather around every day, and sometimes they throw a party too. And if they have a ritual party, nada, we're going to give them this one. Yeah. So when I sing this song, this is your favorite always. We have to do this. This is the very old and traditional way of singing, Okay, and now in Malaysia, we are really lucky. We get to have a lot of celebrations. And recently, we have just celebrated Hari Raya Aidilfitri. So if you're having an open house, like what we did recently, we're going to give you this. And that's the Suasana Hari Raya. And like I asked just now, I'm sure many of you have attended events, wedding reception or any other dinner reception, and most of us go there just for the food. You think like, oh, we got food, or there are free food, so you go there and eat, and after that you go home. Wouldn't it be very boring? So think about it. If the event you attended, you get to dance, you get to show off your best and your sexy move. That's right, we're going to give you music that you can dance along with. Trust in me when I say here, we have shown you all our examples, thanks to our musicians and also our sound art crew. And now there's one more thing that I would like to share with every one of you as a wrap up. That's right, as a musician, to pursue our passion, it's actually not as easy as it seemed to be. We need to make sure that we can continue doing what we love to do, our passion, making sure that it is sustainable and we can make a living out of it. So, because there are still some parents of certain musicians, they did not support their children doing this. Like what parents always thought, music, how far can you go? They think that it is not going to bring us any further or make a living out of it. So we really need everyone's support. It will mean a lot to us. So by giving us referrals, giving us business, you are actually supporting us to pursue our dream and go further. So right here, I know you guys support me and I'm thankful for that. So once again, thank you for listening. And one more thing, this week I'm looking for referrals. That if you know anyone around you who are getting married, please try to refer them to me. Thank you very much and thanks for listening. My name is Chien Chien from Momentum Studio.